Hello everyone. So you must be wondering what cards are these? These are rune cards. I thought why not, because I'm also bringing a rune workshop very soon. Not the witches one that's going to go on, that's going to start. But there's a normal runes which I'm bringing soon. So I thought why not, let's do a rune card prediction today. So let's take one card out. A beautiful card, Sovilo, the card of the sun. Usually, the Sovilo is compared with our tarot card, the Sun card. Basically, a day of full energy, a day of power, a day where you'll be victorious in whatever you do. Success, basically, success will be there in whatever you do today. And but again, when the success rune comes, it also means that you need to work towards that success. So today, work towards it. Plan your day in such a way that you're successful and things are going well. If there is any health issues, because I feel for some of you, I don't know why I'm feeling that there's a health issue. If there's a health issue or if you're feeling low, then what you do is take some haldi, take some turmeric powder, mix it in your bath water and have a bath with it, because usually yellow color is what it should come. So I wanted to tell you all to burn a yellow candle. So if you have a yellow candle, in that yellow candle carve this symbol. Can you see here? It's more like a zigzag or an S. Carve this symbol and burn it for your health issues to resolve. If you don't have the yellow candle, then take some haldi, turmeric powder, and have a bath with that powder. And today is a day where you might explore a lot of things. I feel if you're in a project, if there's some project which is coming, which is happening, then that project will be successful for you, and you'll be victorious. Overall, a day of victory. You will be victorious in whatever you are planning. Let us see what is another card which is coming. This is the algae's rune. So it's showing more like an inverted sign here. So maybe you need to cut off from whatever you're attaching towards today, and you need to see to it that you are just going with the universe. You are gaining the wisdom that you need, and you are working towards the goal of becoming successful. Today I would suggest wear the color yellow, because algae is sun. So wear the color yellow and do a little bit of meditation in the morning. Sit somewhere where you will not be disturbed and just focus on your meditation and do some meditation. I'm sure you will be able to meditate and ground yourself so that your day goes well. If you have a tiger's eye bracelet, then today wear a tiger's eye bracelet, and or else if you don't have it, it's okay, you can carry even a clear quartz or a rose quartz with you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.